In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a PDF on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. Selling a PDF on Gumroad is a fantastic way to share your knowledge or creativity with the world, whether you're a writer, an artist, or someone with a particular skill set to showcase. Gumroad is user-friendly, making it easy for you to set everything up seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to gumroad.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Gumroad, you'll need to sign up for a free account. It's a straightforward process, so just follow the prompts to create your profile. Once you're logged in, look for the Products menu option. It's usually located at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice an option that says New Product. This is where the fun begins. Click on New Product. Now you'll need to give your product a name. This is your opportunity to be creative and descriptive to attract potential buyers. Make sure the title encapsulates the essence of your PDF. If it's a recipe book, for example, you might name it 30 Delicious Plant-Based Recipes. Next, you need to select the currency you want to use for your product. You'll want to pick the currency that's most relevant for your target audience. After you've done that, click on the Customize button. Now, here's where you can really sell your product. In the description section, write a compelling description about your PDF. What does your PDF offer? Why should someone buy it? Highlight the benefits and key features. If your PDF contains valuable knowledge or exciting graphics, don't hesitate to mention that. The description is your chance to entice potential customers, so make it engaging and informative. Now let's move on to visuals, because we all know that a good image can make a huge difference. You'll have the option to upload an image or cover for your PDF. Choose a visually appealing cover that reflects the content inside. You can create a cover using design tools like Canva or Photoshop, or you might already have a great design ready to go. Once you've selected your cover image, upload it to Gumroad. Now, click on Save and Continue. You're doing great so far. The next step involves uploading the actual PDF file that you want to sell. Click on the option that says something like Choose Computer Files. This is your chance to select the completed PDF from your computer. Navigate to where you saved your PDF, select it, and upload it. After the upload is complete, Gumroad will allow you to customize a few more options, like pricing and any promotional campaigns you might want to run. You can set a suggested price or even allow customers to pay what they want. This can sometimes encourage more sales. If you decide to include a discount or any limited time offers, this would be the time to set those up too. Once everything looks good, you can click Save Product. Congratulations! Your PDF is now ready to be sold. You'll get a link that you can share on your social media platforms, websites, or wherever you think your audience hangs out. After launching, keep an eye on your sales and customer feedback. It can give you insights into what your audience loves about your product, or what might need improvement for future releases. And there you have it. Selling a PDF on Gumroad is that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to launch your own product. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up. Happy selling!